Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over the Deepseek R1 requirements for a hardware. And the R1 model, particularly the larger versions, it demands significant hardware resources. And to have efficient, operation, especially with the 671B parameter model, a high performance GPU is needed with, substantial VRAM, and I give you specific recommendations. For example, GPUs like NVIDIA A100 or H100, along with a robust CPU and a fast storage. Okay, these are some examples. And the distilled models offer options for a local deployment on more modest hardware, but basically for GPU, it is recommended to go for these. VRAM, you need a single A100, okay, and with 80 GB VRAM. Okay, go ahead and get that. That should handle it. Basically, moderate batch sizes. And if you're doing larger deployments, you need to scale up. Okay, you need 8 of these A100 nodes. That is recommended. And the performance, well, I would say the R1 model basically benefits, okay, from high memory bandwidth, basically up to 2 terabytes per second on a H100, and support for FP16 and BF16 precision, which basically accelerates a training and inference. Okay. And for networking and scalability, I would suggest low latency networking, for example, 100 plus gigabytes per second, InfiniBand or Ethernet. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.